It's a perfect day for wing gliding. Let's hope it stays that way. Toothless, is that right? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. Hope nothing else goes wrong. Here it goes. With these wings, soar over the bird just like a dragon. Let's get up the fishy We'll save you. Hey, you found Burke's Chronicle nest. Yay! There's nothing horribly terrifying about that. Let's just keep moving. And I was kidding. We need to get out of here. And they're happy. Okay, and launch. Fancy flying just showed off. You can join Toothless and me for a ride anytime. But just be aware, a lot of the dragon training around here is the dragon training us. Yeah, Toothless, quit sliding my face and just brush the